Did you know there's a lizard that shoots blood from its eyes to scare predators? Today, we're testing your knowledge with 30 wild trivia questions about crazy animal defenses, from stinky sprays to explosive escapes. Are you ready to survive this quiz? Let's get started right now. First up, which animal shoots blood from its eyes as a defense? A. Horned lizard. B. Skink. It's the horned lizard. They shoot blood from their eyes to scare predators. That's so wild. Next, which animal sprays a stinky liquid to keep enemies away? A. Skunk. B. Porcupine. It's the skunk. Their spray can be smelled from over a mile away. That's so stinky. Let's keep going. Which animal uses quills as a defense mechanism? A. Porcupine. B. Hedgehog. It's the porcupine. Their quills can detach and stick to predators. So prickly. Comment porcupine if you got this right. Quick break. Would you rather shoot blood from your eyes like a horned lizard or spray a stinky liquid like a skunk to scare enemies? You got this. Which animal plays dead to avoid predators? A. Opossum. B. Rabbit. It's the opossum. They play dead so well that predators lose interest. That's so clever. Here's a strange one. Which animal releases a toxic foam from its skin? A. Poison dart frog. B. Toad. It's the poison dart frog. Their toxic skin can deter predators, or even kill them. So dangerous. You've completed 5 questions, great job. How many did you get right? Comment below to share with everyone. Let's keep going. More wild defenses await. Let's see if you know. Which animal uses ink to escape predators? A. Octopus. B. Shark. It's the octopus. They release a cloud of ink to confuse predators and swim away. So sneaky. This one's wild. Which animal can detach its tail to escape? A. Lizard. B. Snake. It's the lizard. Many lizards can drop their tail to distract predators and regrow it later. That's so cool. Next up, which animal puffs up its body to look bigger? A. Pufferfish. B. Jellyfish. It's the pufferfish. They inflate their body to scare off predators. That's so puffy. Let's have some fun. Would you rather puff up like a pufferfish to scare enemies or detach your tail like a lizard to escape? Let's see if you know. Which animal uses a loud hiss to scare predators? A. Snake. B. Cat. It's the snake. Their hiss can sound terrifying to scare off threats. So creepy. Comment, wow, if you found this surprising. Here's a fun one. Which animal uses camouflage to hide from predators? A. Chameleon. B. Crocodile. It's the chameleon. They change color to blend into their surroundings. That's so cool. Congrats! You're 1/3 through. Did you guess the chameleon right? Comment your score and let's keep exploring more crazy defenses. You're on a roll. Which animal uses a hard shell to protect itself? A. Turtle. B. Snake. It's the turtle. Their shell acts like a shield against predators. That's so tough. This one's strange. Which animal releases a bad smell from its butt to scare predators? A. Stink bug. B. Beetle. It's the stink bug. Their smelly defense can drive predators away. That's so gross. Let's get freaky. Which animal uses spines on its back to deter predators? A. Echidna. B. Kangaroo. It's the echidna. Their spines protect them from predators. Just like a porcupine. That's so spiky. You're doing awesome. Which animal uses a whip-like tail to defend itself? A. Stingray. B. Shark. It's the stingray. Their tail can deliver a painful sting to scare off threats. That's so fierce. Next, which animal explodes its own body to escape predators? A. Bombardier beetle. B. Ant. It's the bombardier beetle. They spray a hot, toxic chemical from their body to escape. That's so explosive. Halfway fun. Would you rather explode chemicals like a bombardier beetle or use a whip-like tail like a stingray to defend yourself? You got this. Which animal uses venomous spines to protect itself? A. Lionfish. B. Jellyfish. It's the lionfish. Their venomous spines can deliver a painful sting to predators. That's so dangerous. Halfway there. Which animal uses a sticky tongue to catch predators? A. Armadillo. B. Pangolin. It's the pangolin. Their sticky tongue helps them catch insects. But their scales protect them from predators. That's so cool. Let's keep going. Which animal uses a loud scream to scare predators? A. Howler monkey. B. Parrot. It's the howler monkey. Their scream can be heard up to 3 miles away. That's so loud. This one's strange. Which animal uses a fake head to trick predators? A. Butterfly. B. Moth. It's the butterfly. Some butterflies have wing patterns that look like a fake head to confuse predators. That's so clever. Let's get freaky. Which animal uses a glowing body to scare predators? A. Scorpion. B. Firefly. It's the scorpion. Some scorpions glow under UV light to deter predators. That's so freaky. Only 10 questions left. Did you guess the scorpion right? That's amazing. Stay to see if you can get 30/30s. You're on fire. Which animal uses a hard beak to fight off predators? A. Giant squid. B. Octopus. It's the giant squid. Their hard beak can bite through tough prey and scare off attackers. That's so fierce. Next up, which animal uses a sticky web to trap predators? A. Spider. B. Centipede. It's the spider. They use their web to trap prey and sometimes scare off predators. That's so sneaky. This one's bizarre. Which animal uses a fake eye spot to scare predators? A. Peacock. B. Fish. It's the peacock. Their tail feathers have eye spots to make them look bigger and scarier. That's so stunning. Almost there. Would you rather have a fake eye spot like a peacock to scare enemies or a sticky web like a spider to trap them? Let's get weird. Which animal uses a loud bark to scare off threats? A. Sea lion. B. Dolphin. It's the sea lion. Their loud bark can scare predators and warn others. That's so noisy. Next, which animal uses a venomous bite to defend itself? A. Komodo dragon. B. Crocodile. It's the Komodo dragon. Their venomous bite can weaken predators or prey. That's so dangerous. Only 5 questions left. Did you know the Komodo dragon has a venomous bite? That's wild. Stay to see if you can get 30/30s. Let's see if you know. Which animal uses a hard horn to fight off predators? A. Rhinoceros. B. Elephant. It's the rhinoceros. Their horn can be used to charge at threats. That's so powerful. This one's wild. Which animal uses a toxic slime to deter predators? A. Hagfish. B. Eel. It's the hagfish. They release a slimy substance to clog predators' gills. That's so slimy. This one's strange. Which animal uses a loud clap to scare predators? A. Shrimp. B. Crab. It's the shrimp. Pistol shrimp can snap their claws to create a loud sound that stuns predators. That's so loud. You're on fire. Which animal uses a spiky tongue to defend itself? A. Starfish. B. Sea urchin. It's the sea urchin. Their spiky spines can deter predators and protect them. That's so spiky. Last one. Which animal uses a fake death scream to scare predators? A. Mouse. B. Bird. It's the mouse. Some mice scream to mimic a dying animal, scaring predators away. That's so clever. Congrats on finishing the quiz. Cobi Quiz Chance. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. Which defense surprised you the most? Was it the blood-shooting lizard, the exploding beetle, or the screaming mouse? Comment below to share. If you loved this quiz, hit the like button and subscribe to Cobi Quiz for more challenges. Check out weirder animal facts or ocean mysteries. Links in the description. See you next time.